Dr. Line 9 today dealing with diabetes, and Kim is in the newsroom with our physicians today. And Kim, so many complications with diabetes, neuropathy, and what have you, and now we add mental impairment.
That's right. Mark, I have to first of all tell you this is a very, very busy place today, so be very patient because this is a problem that impacts so many people. Dr. Jeff Gerber, a physician who specializes in, well, you have your family physician, but you specialize in treating diabetes, joins us. First of all, your reaction to that study and the link to Alzheimer's.
Well, we suspected that there was a connection, and it's studies like this that really make us think more about that connection. But what's interesting is what is the connection, and we understand now that diabetes is a pro-inflammatory state inducing premature aging, and it may be this effect of inflammation on the brain that gives us this connection.
We've been talking, and you've been saying you really want to catch it in the earliest possible point, even when it's like pre-diabetes. What are some of the symptoms, and what is the difference between children and adults' symptoms?
Right. So in adults, the main aspect that we want to look for is weight gain. And a lot of people, they think nowadays, I'm just overweight, I'm not healthy, but that is a beginning sign of pre-diabetes, or what we call insulin resistance, ultimately leading to diabetes. We have fatigue, lack of energy. And what's different with children, now most children have the type 1 diabetes, which is a genetic condition that starts at a very young age, and they tend to be quite thin. What's surprising nowadays is that we're seeing children who are overweight and at risk for type 2 diabetes.
This is such a serious problem, impacts so many people. I think the statistics show it's 200,000 people a year die as a result. So yes. What's your best advice to people today?
Best advice is to be aware. If you have a family history, if you're not at your ideal body weight, you should visit with your doctor. You should talk to your doctor and discuss this. It is an epidemic condition. 1 in 3 children born today are possibly going to become diabetic in the future, and that's a serious statistic. 40% of our population may be pre-diabetic at this point.
Oh my goodness, and it leads to so many other complications and so many other health problems.
It sure does. Again, this pro-inflammatory condition leads to many of the conditions that we see in modern society.
Dr. Jeff Gerber, thanks for talking to us. We want to get you back to the phones because we know you're going to be busy today. Physicians with the Colorado Medical Society are here today answering your calls. Again, the call is free, so give us a call, 303-698-0999 until 6:30 tonight. Thanks to all of you. We'll be right back.